welcome to my channel Cheeky Journals. I have made some ephemera kits for my Etsy store. I have 15 kits available in total with 3 different designs. All of them have the same cover and also the same amount and type of ephemera. There are only slight differences like the design and the color paper that I've used on the inside. So I will quickly move this to the side and let you have a look and see what's on the inside. As I've mentioned previously, I've got 3 different styles. So in each style, I've got 5 ephemera kits available. This is the first one. All of them have exactly the same cover. So that is what it looks like. And I have done some stitching around the cover. And all of them come with this cute little charm, which is a bunny, and it really reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with a corner pocket here filled with some ephemera, then a bigger one here in the middle, and then I've got 2 smaller ones. Something that I love about these kits is that if you're done using this ephemera, you can always refill it with your own ephemera. So if we jump up to the top here, I've got 6 tabs that I've made, and all of the tabs in all of the ephemera kits are exactly the same. So I will go through them, and there's a design in the front and at the back, so you can choose which one you like the most. And these tabs you can use on the side of your journals. I've got a video where I've used some of these tabs. So if you would like to see that, you can I'll link it down below and you can have a look. I will put all of these things back a little bit later. Then in this bottom pocket, they all come with tickets and stamps. So you will get 2 tea stain tickets that looks like that, and then 2 craft tickets. So all of the kits will come with 4 tickets in total, and it will be a combination of tea stain and craft paper. Then the stamps are of course different to each one. They will use stamps from Australia, but I've tried to stick to the same type of stamps. So I've got a bird, a butterfly, a floral, and then a very old vintage looking one. And I've tried to, with all these kits, stick to the same type of stamps. And then in the middle pocket, I've got a tag that's made out of this fabric, and there's some journaling space at the back. And I've also added a pocket, and this is where the difference comes in, because this paper that I've used are not available in the other kits. So it's just in the 5 kits that I have shown you in the beginning here. So it's just a pocket where you can add some ephemera there. And then here is another pocket with a fabric cluster and a button, and it's got an entry point over here where you can fill it with goodies, and then it's got another one over there. So it's got 2 pockets that you can use. And then I've added a journaling card, and something can be put in there in the middle, and then also here at the back. And then I've also added an envelope, and I've done some stitching around here, and all of them come with an envelope with the same title. The only difference is the butterfly is slightly different, and then with the sewing With each of them, I've tried to add a different stitching. And on this side, all of them come with a little pack like this. And I've got a playing card in there. And some little ephemera pieces. And these ephemera pieces are exactly the same, and the playing card in all of them. And all of them come with a tag with some lace here at the top. And you can, of course, the fabric is just there to keep all of it together, but you can still use the fabric in your journaling if you would like to. And then it comes with an ephemera piece like this. It also comes, all of them come with a doily. Some of these little tabs. So this one, all 5 kits will have blue tabs. With the others, I've got different colors in. And then this is a piece of piano paper. Some vintage wallpaper. And then in each one, you'll get 2 restaurant dockets. And that's what will be coming in kit number 1. I will be showing you kit number 2 now. This is kit number 2. As you can see, it looks exactly the same on the outside, and it's very similar on the inside. The same types of pieces, amount. The only difference would be the design in them very slightly. So it looks exactly the same. It comes with the same tabs, the same tickets, and 4 stamps. As you can see, it's very similar. It's got a bird stamp, a floral. I've got another bird stamp in this one, and then one of those old vintage ones. Now, all of them, as I've said, won't have the same type of stamps in. They will all be from Australia. There will be 4. It's similar, and I've tried to choose ones that works in junk journaling and journaling in general. So it comes with the same little tag. The only difference is the words being stuck in a different position. At the back, it looks exactly the same. And this is where the difference comes in. It also comes with a pocket where you can add something in, but it's the design of the paper that's slightly different. But otherwise, it's exactly the same amount of pieces. Another pocket here that you can put something in there or over here. And that's what it looks like at the back. A journaling card, and again you can add something in there and something in here. Another envelope, and I've also done some sewing around the title. The difference between this one and the previous one is the stitching that I've done. It's just got some different stitching there at the top, and the butterfly slightly different on all of them. Then it's also got this pack like the previous one. The only difference is the fabric that I've used. With these 5, you'll get a piece of fabric that looks like this. And then all of the pieces inside are exactly the same, except the tags got the same design on. The only difference is the lace that I've used. It's the same design, but just a different color. With this pack, I've used cream lace, and with the previous pack, it was white lace. Then this one also comes with a doily, some tabs, but this time it's just in a different color. It's got a black border. And then it also comes with the piano paper, the vintage wallpaper, and the 2 dockets. This is the 3rd and final kit. Again, it's got the same type and amount of tabs, the same tickets, It's got 4 stamps, and then the pieces here are slightly different. So again, you get the tag and a pocket, and all of them have been sewn with a sewing machine. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up, but I'll try and see if I can show you. So this one also comes with a pocket, a journaling card, and an envelope, and again it's exactly the same apart from the stitching. So this one comes with stitching that looks like that. And then on this side, again, you get the same pack with the same things. It's just got different fabric on. And also the lace is exactly the same as the previous one. It's cream lace and a doily. The tabs this time is red, and then the piano paper, the vintage wallpaper, and 2 dockets. Those are all the ephemera kits. If you would like to know more about the quantity and the dimensions of this product, then you'll find all of that information in the Etsy listing. I will leave a link down below this video to the store. Otherwise, you can just go straight on Etsy and search Cheeky Journals. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one tomorrow. Take care. Bye.